Let's think about some of the risks and rewards of investing in gold and silver. Investing in gold and silver can be an attractive option for both short-term and long-term investors, as these precious metals are considered a safe haven asset that can protect against inflation and market uncertainty. However, there are inherent risks and rewards associated with investing in gold and silver that investors should be aware of before diving into the precious metals market. Potential rewards of investing in gold and silver include their ability to retain value over time, serve as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation, and provide diversification in a portfolio. Gold and silver often perform well during periods of economic turmoil or geopolitical uncertainty, making them a popular choice for investors looking to protect their wealth. On the other hand, investing in gold and silver also comes with risks, such as price volatility, storage costs, and liquidity issues. The prices of precious metals can be influenced by a variety of factors, including changes in interest rates, geopolitical events, and economic indicators. This volatility can lead to abrupt price fluctuations, making it a risky investment for those seeking short-term gains.
Current market trends show that the prices of gold and silver have been on the rise in recent years, driven by factors such as low interest rates, economic uncertainty, and increased demand from investors. However, past performance is not indicative of future results, and investors should exercise caution when investing in precious metals, as prices can be unpredictable and subject to external factors beyond their control.
Risk management strategies for investing in gold and silver include diversifying your portfolio with other asset classes, setting realistic investment goals, and conducting thorough research before making any investment decisions. Investors should also consider their risk tolerance and investment timeline when deciding to incorporate precious metals into their portfolio.
Now, consider this concept about investing. Warren Buffett, who has famously said, "Gold gets dug out of the ground in Africa or someplace. Then we melt it down, dig another hole, bury it again, and pay people to stand around guarding it. It has no utility." Anyone watching from Mars would be scratching their head. Buffett prefers to invest in productive assets like businesses, rather than non-producing assets like gold.
And, as a cautionary tale, consider that precious metal investments include instances of fraud and scams in the industry, where investors have lost significant amounts of money due to misleading information or unethical practices. It is crucial for investors to conduct their due diligence and work with reputable brokers or dealers when investing in gold and silver. Consider our recommended, trustworthy, online precious metals dealer that we link to in the description.
In conclusion, investing in gold and silver can offer potential rewards as a hedge against economic uncertainty and inflation, but it also comes with risks that investors should carefully consider. By understanding the market trends, historical performance, and expert opinions, you can make informed decisions about incorporating precious metals into your investment portfolio. It is important to diversify your investments, set realistic goals, and be mindful of your risk tolerance when considering precious metals as an investment option. What do you think? Comment below to let us know what you think the future will hold for those who choose precious metals as an investment option.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We truly appreciate your support and interest in our content. We hope you learned something valuable from this video. If so, please click the thumbs up, like button to let us know. Now, we recommend you watch this video next. It will further boost your knowledge and skills in this important area.